FM because I've got someone's really so beautiful with a beautiful voice, I'll tell you. And she's going to tell us, how she went about, you know, um, going into music because I used to know this lady way, way back. All right. And she's doing music right now. I just wonder, okay, why music this particular time? But I'll give you the privilege to listen to that particular song that she has right now. It's called Change. Well, that is what everybody's talking about, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Rebecca, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, but you're known as
RBK.
RBK. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so let's go straight into um, your journey into music. Why music, Rebecca?
Well, music has been something I had wanted to do right from when I was a kid. But my parents were like, they want me to go through the education process, so I should go to school and study something more professional because they were of the opinion that anybody can sing, a lawyer can sing, a doctor can sing, just anybody can
I
sing.
sing too. Exactly.
Yeah, so they asked me to go to school to study something more professional. So I decided to, okay, what else can I study apart from music? Let me do mass communication. So
Also, you're a mass communication
yeah, mass
graduate.
communicator.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. All right, a great. What school did you finish from?
Adekune Ajashin University,
Okay.
Akungba Akoko, Ondo
Okay.
State.
I know. I know. Save us the details.
All
All right,
right.
it's a beautiful one right there. All right. And okay, your folks are in support of you doing music because you have answered to the call of going to
Yes.
school.
Yes.
Okay. So, what is mom saying about you, your career into music right now? What's dad saying?
They are really happy. They are really happy. They want me to follow my dreams. Since music is something I want to do, they are in support of it.
Okay, if I may ask you, why music?
Well, music for me is not just music for me is not just an activity. For me, it is part of me. It is something that is inbuilt, something I'm very comfortable with, something I want to do anytime, any day. Music is the only thing I do that I don't stress. I don't stress myself to sing. Like
Hmm.
I don't have that. It just comes naturally.
Becomes natural.
Yeah, it
So
comes
even if
naturally.
you're in the bathroom, you're singing. You're in the kitchen, you're singing. You're in the
Yes, yes,
Okay, you're singing everywhere.
everywhere.
Okay, and you didn't get tired of it.
I don't.
Really? Okay, there you go. All right. What about your friends? What is the okay? Let's go with your family members right now. You have siblings, right?
Yes,
Sisters, brothers.
I do.
Okay, so what is the impression about you going to music?
Actually, everyone in my house is a music person, so
Oh, don't tell me your
nobody's
father
against.
used to be a choir, a chorus or whatever it is.
Well, actually, in church presently he sings. So
Oh, your father does.
yes, he
Okay.
sings.
Okay, there you go. So you actually got it from your parents.
Yes, from my
Okay,
parents.
so everyone in the family knew follow suit.
Yeah, my brother is an instrumentalist. My sister too, she's an instrumentalist. She sings. My brother sings. My mom sings. My dad sings. So
That is music in on you.
yes.
Wonderful, wonderful, great one, man. All right, so you came up with something earlier. Okay, now let me quickly say this because everyone will be wondering, okay, what is the connection here? You were here to have your internship with
Yes.
a Great 9.7 FM, and
Yes.
that is what we got to know you.
Yes.
And I notice anytime you're walking down the hall, down the stations, the studios, you always hear him. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Is that what you're here for? And it was later that I got to find out that you actually sing. It's like, really, she does. And when I listened to the first one, it's like, okay, she's all right. And this bomb came out, change. And I was like, oh my God. So what brought about the change?
Actually, this change came to be when I noticed everything that was. I actually am not suffering from what was going on, but I'm not just comfortable with people around, just hungry people everywhere, people that don't have enough, everything. And I was like, this thing can just change. Like everyone can just find a solution to this.
Okay.
So that was where I got the inspiration from actually.
Go. Yeah, but bear in mind that we know the present administration, the present government, they're working assiduously in order to put things
In the
together.
order. Yes.
Okay, very good. And now we are going to go on a short break because I really want everyone to listen to this particular music. When I listen to change, everything changed about me. Okay, I'm not gonna kid you on that one. Let's go right now. Listen to RBK. She called this one Change.
Yeah, yeah. It's RBK. Malo carry me go. Àgbàkì wà lọ́jà. Orí ọmọ tuntun wá. Ṣé làgbà ti wà lọ́jà? Orí ọmọ tuntun tẹ̀ ti wá. You say change every day. Change is never reach where I dey. Jọ̀wọ́ má lọ kọ́ra mọ́ mi o. Used to say I dey boil every day. Ṣé nìkan bàjẹ́ sí i? Even when we say God bless Nigeria. Country people don't suffer. Everybody don't suffer. Àwa kì í wà lọ́jà. Torí ọmọ tuntun wá. Ṣé làgbà ti wà lọ́jà? Orí ọmọ tuntun tẹ̀ ti wá. Lord, I need the light. We all need the light. Make we love ourselves as brothers and sisters, leave us as one. Say we say change every day. Change is never reach where I day. Joe Malakara Mamio used to say I deploy every day. Shining compadre. Even when we say God bless Nigeria. Country people they suffer. Everybody they holler. I'm on your education, time up quick share free. I'm on your competition, time up play and win. Otaniko Badura Kokawe call the trio. Otaniko La Aziko to Baba come and spill. We supposed to the fear for the future of the now. Cause guys know the child, even where we did it. Our leaders know the love because they don't know the love. They don't know the cry. Jimmy Compa just see. Even when we say God bless Nigeria. Country people they suffer. Everybody they holler.
Oh no. I really did not know what to say, really. But that was awesome, really,
Thank you.
really. No, it's your song is very inspirational.
Thank you.
Listening to it, you know that you actually portraying what you see going around in the society. That lots of people are going through with lots of hardship, and you don't feel comfortable with that. That's why you came up with this particular track, Change. Wow. All right, beautiful right there. Okay, I'm sure of words, really. I'm sure of words. When you're done with this song at the studio, when people listen to it, what was the first impression?
Well, it's quite ironical because when I finished this song, the producer actually told me that I want you to push this song. But when I don't know, when this song got to people that were close to me, they didn't react, they didn't show any reaction. So I was thinking the song was not good enough. So I just okay, let me just leave this song on my laptop. Then let me share it.
So how long have you done this work? How long have you recorded it?
I recorded it February, February
Okay.
2018.
And you kept it.
I just kept it
You
on
just
my
put it in your
laptop.
laptop. You fold it up.
Yes, because I never felt the song was something really
Oh
special
my
like that.
goodness!
Because
Are you serious?
when I played this song for people that were actually close to me and
Right.
they didn't even give any reaction, like they were just like, huh, it's okay.
Really?
So and I was just like, okay, maybe it's just okay. Maybe it's not it's not wowing like that. So I just left it on my laptop there.
Okay, you sing like Simi, you sing like Niniola, like that, you really want to portray, that kind of style. Who exactly is your mentor when it comes to the music industry in Nigeria?
When it comes to the music industry in Nigeria, I love the way a lot of people sing in the music industry. Actually, I love the way Simi sings. I love the way Asha sings. Both of them, especially. Though there are some other people, Niniola is good.
Okay.
Every one of them is good. Shei Shei.
So if you have to have a
every one of
collab
them is
with
good.
with anyone, okay, you have two shots. Who would you choose?
First, Simi. I want to work with Simi.
Okay, really.
I want to work with Simi.
Okay, we can make that happen. We can make that happen. Well, let's say take to get to listen to this song, okay? And if she does, if she's willing to work with you, fine, why not? But I really want to say that that's a beautiful, beautiful job right there. Okay. Now let's go straight right now. Okay, where do you want to go from here?
That's a good question.
when is your album dropping?
Okay, by God's grace, if I get enough support,
Okay.
I hope to be dropping my album very soon.
Okay. Are you under any record label right now?
No, I'm not.
You're just all by yourself.
All by myself.
Oh my goodness. Where all these record labels are, they should grab you right now. Really. Oh, you're a bunch of talents, really. Okay, that's very good. And you did a rap too. I mean, this that's my favorite. Now you did a rap yourself too.
Yes.
And I love the way you were able to listen to this one. I love the way you were able to match that together. You were rapping and you twisted it into a rhythm like and all that. You know, that was brilliant.
Thank you.
That was brilliant.
Thank
All
you.
right, RBK, thank you so much. Thanks so much. We wish you from Lake 9.7 FM. There's nothing more we can say to you, but we wish you the very best.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you have started right now. Do not look back. Keep forging ahead. I told you over and over again. I had to put your song on replay from my phone. I was listening to it even in my car. I was listening to it over and over and over again. I was like, wow, this is good. Aside from the content, the rhythm and everything was the only thing I believe you can work on is the instrumental, the backings and all that. You can really improve on that one. But you're good. If someone is good, you're good. So that's just a basic thing about that. All right, so RBK, thank you so much. You want to leave your Twitter handle so people can connect with you? Yes.
Okay. On Twitter, I am at Rebecca Bindi. On Instagram, I am at Rebecca Olagbinde. On Facebook, Olagbinde Rebecca. Then I have a blog, Olagbinde Rebecca's blog.
Okay, I remember that. I remember you have a blog. Yeah, yeah. You were really bugging me on that one. All right, great. So where are you from, by the way? What part of Nigeria are you from?
I'm from Ondo State.
Oh, no wonder you went to Adikuni Ajashi. Now I know. You went back home.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food? Don't tell me pounded yam. Don't even dare.
I love rice.
Okay, for a change. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. All right. So what about Facebook?
Facebook, Olagbinde Rebecca.
Okay.
Then Twitter at Rebecca Gbinde. Instagram at Rebecca Olagbinde. Then my blog, Olagbinde Rebecca's blog.
You want to spell your language because some people might not really understand.
Okay. OLAGBENDE.
Okay.
Then my Rebecca is the REBECCA.
WC, all right. So if you really want to help this sister, she's a bunch of talent. The only thing we can do for you right here is to put you on air. That's all, really.
Thank you very much.
And see that the sky will be the limit. All right. We'll pray for you that someday you're gonna be like Simi, like Niniola, like Tiwa Savage and all that. But Rebecca, if I call you once, if you tell me talk to my manager, oh my goodness, you see what's gonna happen. We'll have to go to Ondo.
Don't worry, it won't happen.
It's okay. It better not. It better not. All right, thank you so much, RBK, for finding time to be here today.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
we wish you the very best. So listen to beautiful music again. Change. I can stop this song.
Yeah, yeah.